Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed HTML code to your Shopify store. So, go to shopify.com and log into your account. On your dashboard, go to Online Store, then click on Edit Theme. We'll be taken directly inside the theme editor. This is where you can add custom content to your store layout. Inside the theme editor, decide where you want to place your HTML code. It can be on the footer, header, or inside a specific page section. Now let's say we want to add it on our header. Click on Add Section on the header section. Then choose Custom Liquid. This section is designed specifically for adding HTML, liquid, or app snippets. Click on Custom Liquid. You'll see a text box where you can paste your HTML code. Simply paste your code into this area. This is where you should place HTML snippets, embeds, or third-party code. It's important to know the difference here. Custom Liquid is used for HTML and liquid code, while Custom CSS right here is only for styling and design changes. If you paste an HTML code on the custom CSS, it will not work. So always use Custom Liquid for HTML embeds. Once your code is added, click Save, preview your store to make sure everything displays correctly, and just like that, your HTML code is now successfully embedded into your Shopify store. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.